Days after Deputy Chief Medical Officer Dr. Karen Boyle said that younger females and older males are becoming infected with COVID-19, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Shamdia Prasad, during a telephone interview with Nightly News, disclosed that 2 adolescents are among the recovered cases registered in Ghana. The Chief Medical Officer divulged that it was proven that the adolescents contracted the disease after coming into contact with confirmed cases.
I think the youngest we have had so far was an 11-year-old, and then we had a 14-year-old, and maybe an 11 and a 14-year-old. And they were both assessed to be in very close direct contact with some positive cases. Not one, but more than one positive.
Dr. Prasad explained that medically clearing the youngsters required health experts to be extremely cautious since challenges surfaced.
We did have some challenges with clearance. In some instances, it took them a little longer, and this is what I think all over they're saying, that healthy young persons, teenagers and so on, may be able to, carry this germ for a longer period of time and even transmit it, even though they are symptom-free to others. So we were a bit, again, extra cautious with these persons to make sure that we, clear them properly, make sure that we got samples.
According to the Chief Medical Officer, collection of samples from children poses a challenge because of what the polymerase chain reaction testing method entails.
Of course, sampling with children, there's always that chance that you're not able to get the correct specimen. Of course, for sampling, we require to insert the swab all the way to the back of through the nostrils, and that could be very daunting, and you need the child's complete cooperation to get a good sample. So that may be a factor too sometimes when you are dealing with children, that we have to be very, very careful that we are collecting the right samples.
Earlier this week, the Ministry of Public Health revealed that 65.3% of the confirmed COVID-19 cases recorded were asymptomatic carriers. Asymptomatic carriers, despite testing positive for the disease, do not show any symptoms throughout the 14-day period of isolation. However, they are tested twice on day 15. Provided that their tests indicate negative results, the patients are then sent home with the necessary coaching and health education tips. Meanwhile, as of Wednesday, May 6, the COVID-19 case count stood at 93. The Ministry of Public Health conducted 34 tests over a 24-hour period, but no new cases were confirmed. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.